my name's Lisa and I'm the nursing manager at Park Vets. It is actually Pet Dental Health Awareness Month and I'm here to chat to you about pet health and how we can keep their teeth nice and clean and sparkling. So, dental care for pets is very much the same as for us. So, gold standard care is actually for brushing them. Now this is Brewster, who is very used to having his teeth brushed, but I will actually go through each step with you of how to accustom them to having their teeth brushed. First thing to do is to have your pet nice and relaxed. As you can see, Brewster is fairly relaxed. In a sitting position, choose a time of the day where he's actually nice and calm. You don't want to be chasing him around the kitchen. The first time that you do their teeth, it's obviously going to be unnatural for them and they're going to wonder what's going on. So for the first day, all you're going to be doing is just running your finger alongside his cheek, just like that, just getting him used to having his mouth handled. And then, if you can, just lift the lip, just so he gets accustomed to having his lip moved, and then relax again. And if you can do that for about 30 seconds, that's ideal. So the important thing to remember after everything you do is to reward your pet, because this is unusual for them. They do wonder what's going on, and to give them a little treat afterwards. The second day, you're going to be repeating what you have done the first day. So lifting his lip again, getting him used to having his mouth handled. And then you're going to put a small amount of toothpaste on your finger and just let him lick it off, just so he gets used to the taste of the paste we're using. On day 3, we're going to take the toothpaste, lift his lip, and this time you're going to gently rub that toothpaste along his gum. Now, there are actually finger toothbrushes you can use for this rather than your finger, but as I know Bruce is so good, I'm just using a finger. So you can do that all the way around the outsides of his mouth and the other side. And if you can do that for sort of 30 to 45 seconds, and then remember to reward him afterwards for being such a good dog. On day 4, you will repeat the process, and you're going to try and increase the amount of time that you spend rubbing your finger or the finger toothbrush around his mouth for another 15 seconds. On day 5, you're going to increase that to a further 30 seconds. If all is going well, by day 6 I should be able to introduce a toothbrush into his mouth. So we use a toothbrush with a small amount of toothpaste on it. I'm just going to lift his lips, and all I'm doing now is just replacing my finger with the toothbrush, gentle circular motions all the way around his mouth. As you can see, Brewster's trying to lick it off. All the way around his mouth, down the back. So you'll see that I'm not actually trying to open his mouth, and the reason for that is that the tongue does a lot of cleaning of the insides of the teeth, so we're really interested in these external surfaces. So once he's able to tolerate this, by about a week, you'll be increasing that to be able to brush each side of his mouth for about a minute, and then a big reward and lots of praise. Not every animal is amenable as Brewster to having their teeth cleaned, and there are other products we can use, not least of which is diet and additives to their water. We actually use the Verbac range, which you can see here on the leaflet, and they have very kindly sponsored us this month to bring this to you. In addition, we're also running a special promotion on our raw canning food this month, where you can get 33% off your first bag of dental food. So if you'd like to take part in finding out how to look after your animal's health, and you'd like some more information, or you'd like us to demonstrate this on your animal, please make an appointment at any of our Park Vets branches to see one of the nurses.